Hi beauties, welcome back for another video. So I'm back with another crochet braid video. Super excited about the crochet braids. You guys know I am obsessed with them. I love the fact that I can change my hair in 2 to 3 hours. Different style, different color, different length, different texture, whatever I want to do. I feel like crochet braiding is extremely easy. It doesn't take an arm and a leg to learn how to do, and it's super duper fast. So this is my latest install. Oh, thank you guys. Sorry, I'm all over the place. It's been a while, but thank you guys so much for all of my new subscribers, all of my subscribers that have been subscribed from day one. You guys know you hold a special place in my heart. Please sure to turn on the notification bell, like it if you like the video, and subscribe if you love the video. Even if you like it, you might as well just go ahead and subscribe, because maybe you'll learn to love it. Okay, but anyway, this is my latest install. This is the Harlem 125 Kima Braid. I did this style before in a braidless crochet braid, and I absolutely hated the results. It was shedding. It just did not look good. So I really wanted to give this hair a fair chance and do it in my traditional crochet braiding style. Now I did this hair also in a bob, so I'm going to leave both of those. I might not leave the braidless one up there, because those results were horrendous, honestly, but I still post it anyway. But yeah, I wanted to do this in its natural, the original crochet form, so I can just get my honest opinion, because the hair is absolutely beautiful. It's soft, it's very natural looking, very good in luster and all of that. So I really love the hair, but I didn't like it in the braidless crochet. So let's go ahead and get started. Here is my braiding pattern. I have smaller braids in the front connected in the back with the jumbo braids. I also have 2 anchor braids in the very back. This is 1 pack of hair already installed. I'm just going to show you guys where it stops, which is right about waist length. I always separate my hair for a fuller look. I love my crochet braids to be full. I don't like it to be thin. So I'm just going to go ahead and proceed to crochet these onto my hair. I have done a lot of videos on crocheting, but all I'm doing is inserting my latch hook, putting on the piece, pulling it through, looping it around about 3 times for this particular hair. I honestly should have did about 5 times, but if you do this hair, wrap it around about 5 times to avoid slippage. Okay, so everything else is pretty much self-explanatory. At the end, I do the invisible parting space, and yeah, that's about it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I cut a few inches off. Let me show you guys from the front. Okay, so this is where it hits me in the front. Okay, that's where it hits me from the front. Let me show you guys from the back. So this is where it hits me in the back. Let's see. Hopefully you can see. I'm trying to. So that was my hair from the back, and I do want to include that I did cut about 3 inches thus far. It hit me like right above, like it was hitting me like right above my butt, and I just didn't want that length this time. If I'm feeling like rocking some hair right above my butt, I will, but for this one I did not. I just wanted to cut it a little bit. Anyway, so I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I will see you on my next one.